Hi, I'm Brett Hoskinson, engineer here at KTVO Television. If you're having trouble receiving KTVO with an over-the-air antenna, here are a few things you can do to troubleshoot it. Have your television rescanned for channels. The exact procedure varies by manufacturer, but can be accessed through the menu options on your television using the remote. If you're using a converter box because your TV is not digital capable, the rescan will need to be done through the converter box's menu. Check all accessible connectors. Sometimes they can become loose and affect the amount of signal making it to your television. If they are outside and not sealed, they could have suffered moisture damage resulting in corrosion and reduced performance. Check inside the ends of the connectors for broken or bent center pins and that the braided shielding is not touching the center conductor. Check all ancillary pieces of equipment in line between the television and the antenna. These can be VCRs, satellites, splitters, or amplifiers. It is possible that one of these could have failed or lost power, preventing the signal from passing to the television. One way to test this extra equipment is to bypass it entirely by taking the coax from the antenna directly to the connector on the television. Check all accessible coaxial cable. Look for pinches, kinks, sharp bends, cuts, melted sections, or abrasions. Melts could allow the shield and center conductor to short or change the cable's characteristics, reducing its effectiveness. An easy way to test your cable is to connect a new one and see if the problem persists. Ensure your antenna is pointed in the correct direction. KTVO is transmitted from just east of Lancaster, Missouri. Have your antenna pointed appropriately. See that there is no damage to your antenna. It should be upright, attached to a mast with all elements, or the arms, straight and unbent. If you have an indoor antenna and have difficulties, try moving the antenna to a window if possible. Avoid contact with metal screens and frames. In some locations, KTVO cannot be received with an indoor antenna. An outdoor antenna would be needed. If you still experience difficulties, please feel free to call KTVO and we will be happy to help.